Hello everyone, welcome to MS Aptiv webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to set up a multi-factor authentication for Microsoft 365 user. Passwords are the most common method of authenticating or signing to a computer or online service. But they are also the most vulnerable. People can choose easy passwords and use the same passwords for multiple sign-ins to different computers and services. To provide an additional level of security for sign-ins, you must use multi-factor authentication, which use both a password and an additional verification method. Microsoft 365 supports a text message verification, phone call verification, and Microsoft Authenticated Smartphone Application Verification. To set up MFA for Microsoft 365 user, we need to access and log into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In your web browser, type URL https://admin.microsoft.com and press Enter key to access Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Already, I have accessed the Microsoft 365 Admin Center web interface using Global Admin's credential. In Microsoft 365 Admin Center, click on Active Users. From the list of user mailboxes, select the mailbox that you want to set up multi-factor authentication for. In this video, we will set up MFA for our user Parita Boda. Let's click on it. On Account tab, scroll to bottom and then click on Manage Multi-factor Authentication link. This will open a new tab in web browser. As I mentioned earlier that I want to set up MFA for Parita Boda. Select the checkbox in front of username. First of all, I'm going to click on Manage User Settings. Here, I'm going to select this checkbox Require selected users to provide contact methods again. If you want, you can select these two checkboxes as well. Now I'm going to click on Save. Update successful. Click on Close. Let's again select our user Parita Boda. And this time under Quick Steps, we need to click on Enable to enable MFA for Parita Boda. Click on Enable Multi-factor Auth. We can see the confirmation message that MFA is now enabled for the selected account. Click on Close. We can see the MFA enable status for user Parita Boda. That we can see here. We can follow the same steps if we want to enable MFA for multiple users at the time. We just need to select the users and click on Enable. Now, after enabling MFA for our user Parita Boda, let's try to access the mailbox of our user Parita Boda using Outlook on the web. For that, I'm going to open New in Private window. Click on these three dots and then click on New in Private window. Let's type the URL https://outlook.office.com and then press Enter key. Here we need to enter the email address of our user Parita. In my case, the email address is paritaB@clarex.onmicrosoft.com. Now I'm going to click on Next. Let's enter the user password and click on Sign In. Click Next. Here it is telling us that on your phone, you need to install the Microsoft Authenticator app. To download that app, click on Download Now. If you are using iPhone, then you can download this application from App Store. And if you are using Android, then you can download the application from Google Play Store. After downloading the application on your smartphone, you need to click on Next. Once you install the application successfully on your phone, you need to open Microsoft Authenticator application. After opening the application, at the right hand side at the top, you have a plus icon. Click on that plus icon and then select Work or School account. Once you select work or school account, you will have two options, sign in and scan QR code. Okay, wait there. Here I'm going to click next. Now on your smartphone, under add work or school account, you will have one option named scan QR code. Click on that. And then after, you need to scan this code from your smartphone. After scanning this QR code, the account paritaB@clarax.onmicrosoft.com will be added to your smartphone. In your case, the email address will be different. But make sure that the email address is added under Authenticator. Once you can see that email address in Microsoft Authenticator application, click on Next. Now, you will have a one pop-up asking to approve sign in, and then there will be an email address of that user. There will be two options. One is denied and the second one is approve. To approve the sign in, we simply need to click on approve. And then after, in this web browser, user can access their mailbox using Outlook on the web. And once you approve that, here you will see notification approved. And then after, when you click on next, you can access your mailbox using Outlook on the web. So let me click on next button. You can see the message Microsoft Authenticator app was successfully registered. Click on done. And then let me click on yes, and then we can access the mailbox of our user Parita Boda. So this is how we can set up multi-factor authentication for Office 365 user using Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.